Mastering Mute, a guide to Google Meet mute functionality. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important in video call etiquette: muting and unmuting. And specifically, we're going to focus on how to do this in Google Meet. Knowing when and how to mute or unmute your microphone can make your video calls more professional and less disruptive. Let's dive right in. In Google Meet, the mute button is located at the bottom of your screen in the middle of the control bar. It looks like a small microphone. When the microphone is red with a line through it, this means that you are muted and no one in the meeting can hear you. If the microphone is white, your microphone is unmuted and people in the meeting can hear you. To mute or unmute yourself in a Google Meet meeting, all you need to do is click this microphone button once. Remember, if you see a line through the microphone, you're muted, and if there isn't a line, you're unmuted. Keep an eye on this icon during your meeting to ensure you're muted or unmuted when you need to be. Knowing when to mute and unmute can be just as important as knowing how. In general, you should stay muted when you're not speaking to minimize background noise. Unmute yourself when you're ready to speak or contribute to the conversation. It's considered polite to stay muted when others are speaking unless you're asked to respond or discuss. Google Meet also offers a keyboard shortcut for muting and unmuting. You can press Ctrl+D for Windows and Chromebooks, or Command+D for Macs, to quickly mute or unmute yourself without needing to find and click the microphone button. And there you have it. With these tips and techniques, you're now a master of the mute in Google Meet. Remember, being aware of when and how to mute your microphone not only makes your calls more effective but also shows respect for your fellow participants. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy learning, everyone!